Have you noticed in recent months, with the worsening economic crisis, that more of your new inquiries are sensitive about fees or resistant to paying for the help that they need? If so, there's a simple way to neutralize their resistance to paying those fees and have them appreciate the value of getting your help, so they say yes to working with you at the fees you want to charge. Now, this doesn't involve bragging about your own value or trying to convince them I'm worth it. It doesn't require you to give prospective clients a lecture about what's good for them and why they need your help. Instead, it's about asking the right question at the right time. So what's the right question? Well, it partly depends on the prospective client you're talking to. Every situation is different, and that's going to affect the questions you need to ask. But the key is to ask a question which helps your prospective client to see the value of your services for themselves, so you don't need to tell them about the value. So one example of a question that can demonstrate value is one that starts with two simple words. What if? For example, what if you don't resolve this issue in the next 3 months? Or, what if there is a successful claim against you for this? Or, what if your money doesn't go to your beneficiaries and dependents in the proportions that you intend? I recommend you ask a what if question like this in your next consultation or call with a prospective client and see how it helps you shine a light on the value for your client of getting your help. And if you want my complete formula for working out what question to ask in any situation to neutralize price resistance and show clients the true value of your services, then get in contact and I'll let you know how you can get more help with that. In particular, it's something that we teach in our one-day Profitable Practice Growth Secrets workshop for small law firms. This approach, this what if formula and the different variations of that question has already helped many lawyers to dramatically increase their conversion rate, meaning that they have more business coming in every month without having to generate more inquiries. Doubling your existing conversion rate could mean you double your existing monthly fee income without spending more money on marketing, without spending more time on marketing, simply converting more of the work that's already coming in. See you next time.